Ever wondered how your favorite ice cream makes its way from the factory to your cone? Join us on this cool journey as we dive into the fascinating world of ice cream production. Welcome to the heart of the frozen treat industry. Here in this bustling factory, hundreds of thousands of ice cream tubs are made every day. Let's take a closer look at the magic behind the scenes. It all starts with the basic ingredients: milk, cream, sugar, and sometimes eggs. These are the key players in our ice cream recipe. First up, we mix them together in these large, shiny tanks. This blend is called the base mix, and it's the foundation for all flavors. The base mix is carefully blended to ensure a smooth and creamy texture. It's heated to pasteurize the mixture, killing any harmful bacteria and improving the texture. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect scoop. Next, we cool it down rapidly. This chilling process ensures the mix is ready to be transformed into delicious ice cream. But that's not all. Flavoring comes next. Here's where the fun begins. For classic flavors like vanilla or chocolate, ingredients like vanilla beans or cocoa powder are added. For fruity flavors, real fruit purees or extracts are used. The base mix is blended with these flavorings to create a tantalizing treat. Now it's time to churn the ice cream. The mix is poured into a freezer where it's churned continuously. This process incorporates air into the mix, making it light and fluffy. It also helps in freezing the mixture to the perfect consistency. Once the ice cream reaches that creamy texture, it's time for the ice cream to be dispensed into tubs or cones, ready to be sealed and labeled. It's then quickly frozen at a very low temperature to ensure it stays fresh and maintains its texture. Once the ice cream is dispensed, it's time for the next step, packaging. After packaging, the ice cream is carefully stored in large freezers. These freezers keep it at the perfect temperature until it's shipped out to stores and supermarkets. It's now ready to be enjoyed by you. So next time you enjoy a scoop of your favorite flavor, remember the journey it took to get there, from mixing and flavoring to churning and packaging. It's all part of the delicious process that turns simple ingredients into a frozen delight. Thanks for joining us on this sweet adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Behind the Scenes looks at how your favorite treats are made. Until next time, keep cool and enjoy your ice cream.